One. So welcome to day 86. Today we will be working where we left off yesterday. And where we left off? We left off with one of the APIs, that is the post review APIs. Now today what we will work on? We will work on the my posting. Like my post will have delete, put, get, because posting itself is for common and it will be generalized. So let's see the task in the Jira, and you can see backend development is in progress. And in backend development, user review is done, post review is done. Now we are doing my post. So let me do it as in progress, and let's jump to the code and let's create new file. My post.py. Now my post will have similar function of this. It will be for user, not for admin. It will send posts on the dashboard. So what we will accept? We will accept these two things, page per page. So number of images or post it uploads. Based on that, we will do that. Because it is for current users, so we don't require anything. We will just filter that out. Now what we filter out? We will filter out posts equals to post.query dot filter by user id equals to current user dot user id dot all. So we will get the post, and now in the post, we have used the pagination method to get the data, and it will similarly what we will do, we will pass these things. If found, it will return all those things, and then we will have accept SQL alchemy error, in which we will return db.session dot rollback, return message database error occurred 500, and then we will have accept any other exceptions arises. Just the message will change, so we will just copy paste it. Error occurred. So this is for get, and similarly we will make for put. Let me pass this, and similarly it is for delete. Now here what we will define, what user admin, it will be my posts. This API will manages post API related to specific user. Now in the put, this is a put method to edit the caption only. So what we require? We require parser, that is coming from request.parser, request parser. See, this is the command, and then we will add the arguments. Let's say argument is what we require, caption. It is required args equals to parser dot parse arg, and then caption equals to dot get caption. Now if there is not caption, it must return a message. Caption required. So something as 301, Now, if there is a caption, what we will do? We will fetch. We will also require post ID for caption of a which thing. So now temp post is equals to caption post dot query dot filter by post ID equals to post ID dot first, because it is the only thing. Now, if it exists, temp post dot caption is equals to caption db dot session dot commit return message caption updated successfully. But I want one more check before updating this. That is time of the post it generated, and the caption change time should not be more than an hour. So what we require date time dot now minus temp post dot created at. This should not be greater than mm, first thing is this, less than 60, let's say, then only it will be allowed. Now date time is not there, we will import that from date time, import date time. Else, even though it returns, editing not allowed. This is the backend check. This also need to be checked in the front end. Now, If no post found, again it will return a message. No valid post found. 404. Except SQL commit error. Now this is fixed. So today, what we will finish the get and put part of it, and tomorrow we will finish the delete part as well as the changes required for the post API. So there are multiple changes it requires. We will change all of those things. Like currently, I am using this way. Okay, it has changed. So any other API is required, we will do that as well. So the delete part, and I guess delete part requires one more argument. Let's say post ID. So now this method will use to delete the post attribute required is post ID. Now based on post ID it will directly delete, so nothing we have to check about that. Try what we'll do. Post equals to post dot delete post ID equals to post ID. db dot session dot commit. But I'm not sure about this function, so let me check. Dot delete in SQL commit. So it is like that way. So post dot query dot filter by we'll check this as well. Now we will return message post deleted. Now catch Also, delete is now completed. So these are the three APIs it requires. So let's mark that as completed. So tomorrow we will start working on the count APIs. What we have need to find the count. So we have multiple counts to send, and we will create that APIs. It's a very little complex task. So I will try to explain in a simpler way, and let's connect.